We are excited to welcome you to our happy peace. We hope you have a wonderful time here, whether swimming in the pool, building sandcastles by the beach, or joining our fun-filled what?
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning from the beautiful Boracay Island. I am with my family. It's our third day, and it's actually my husband Joey's birthday today. We decided to celebrate here to enjoy the cool January weather by the beach, at least relatively cool in the Philippines. So Joey is swimming now with our son Jose. Jose loves the water. He has been swimming nonstop, morning, afternoon, evening, by the beach, in the pool, since we got here. Yesterday, we went island hopping, which is quite new for us. This is actually Jose's fourth time in Boracay, but in our previous trips, we would normally just chill, eat, go with the flow, and not really have any planned activities. But we figured that since he is a bit older, he would enjoy and appreciate some water activities this time. So our friends from Guide to the Philippines very kindly facilitated our island hopping experience. We were able to check out Balinghay Beach, and we even went snorkeling for a bit, which Jose really loved. He was able to see the corals, feed the fish, and at one point he even asked to take off his life vest so that he could snorkel underwater without it, which was pretty cool. We were supposed to go to one more island, but then the waves were getting quite wild, so we ended up in Tambisaan Beach, where a nice lunch awaited us. And Jose and I were able to try the kawa bath. It's a traditional hot bath where a large metal pot is filled with water and firewood is placed underneath to heat it up. It was a really fun family bonding experience and something new for us. So if you are planning a trip to Boracay or anywhere in the Philippines, you can hit up Guide to the Philippines. They are the largest online marketplace for Philippine travel. So you can book whatever you need through the site and they will very efficiently help you out. Later, we are going sunset sailing, but for now, I am going to get a quick workout in. The gym is literally right next to this room, so it's kind of like I don't have an excuse. It'll just be 20 minutes. We got the junior suite in Discovery. It's nice and spacious for the three of us, with a day bed by the window, then the main bed. Behind that is a massive work table. Then across that is the refreshments bar. Then the sink area is separated from the toilet and bath. Then when you step out of the room, it goes straight to the pool area, and right beside that is the gym. Parao sailing in Boracay is always a memorable experience because you get a scenic glide through the ocean powered purely by the wind. Unlike motorized boats, there's no noise, just the sound of the waves and the breeze as you take in panoramic views of the island and the sky. This is another first for Jose, making it a special milestone for us three as we experienced it through his eyes. The ride lasted around 30 minutes, so it was a brief but nice way to reconnect with nature. In our previous trips to Boracay, we would have this list of restaurant go-tos and we'd eat there pretty much every time. But with all the new restaurants popping up, we decided to venture out to try the others in this trip. But Balay Seafood was an exception. This is one of our favorite restaurants in the island because of their fresh, high-quality seafood. You can choose however you want it cooked, and they do it really well. Today, we opted for lobster cooked with garlic, shrimp with squash and green beans cooked with coconut milk, and scallops baked with cheese. There was so much meat in the lobster. It was rich and buttery, and the shrimp and scallops were flavorful and indulgent. This is definitely a place to hit up if you're looking for a solid seafood experience in Boracay. After lunch, we visited Movenpick, a luxury island resort just a few kilometers away from Discovery. It's said to have the largest multi-level pool in Boracay, along with a private beach, restaurants, bars, a spa, and a kids club. They also have really fun, interesting activities. Every day at 3 p.m., they host a chocolate hour where guests can enjoy complimentary desserts, including a chocolate fountain and a chocolate pizza. Then they also offer pizza-making classes for kids at Bretza Ristorante, where they learn how to knead the dough and have their pizzas cooked in an authentic brick oven. So far, it has been a wonderful family trip. We usually stick to short trips as we like having our routine back home, but this was a nice escape in one of our favorite places, celebrating a very special occasion. A big thank you to Guide to the Philippines for helping create these unforgettable moments for us, to Movenpick for accommodating us for the day in their beautiful resort, and finally, to Discovery Boracay for being our home for the past few days and for always going above and beyond for their guests. And to my amazing hubby, I wish you great health and more happy memories as you take on a new year. To those who are still watching, thanks for sticking around, and I hope to see you in the next video.